Okay, so here how much size in the monolithic now, guys? In a 3 server only, how much size? 90 MB. Come on.
90 MB in 3 server.
Yes, Ravi.
Right, in a 3 server, because in a one server what 30 MB, another server 30 MB, another server in 30 MB. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now come here. Okay, now come here. So okay, so just what is that? Search request is coming. What is that? Here what 400 request is coming, right? Here 400 request is coming now. Come on, just take here what 600.
Yes.
Just here what is that? Let's take the 600 request. Okay, 600 request. So I'm making the search request. We are taking what 600 request is coming. 600 request. Okay, request is coming, right? And
Yes,
there what is that? Because
Yes, sir.
three instances we took, right? Then 3 instances can have the capacity to take 600 request or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yeah,
600 request.
yeah. So good. So after then what? Cart. Let's take cart. Cart is there na? Cart request is what? Cart request. Cart request. Let's take 200 request.
200.
Okay, cart request, let's take 200. And what payment request also, let's take 200.
Also 200.
Let's take 200, right? 200 request.
200.
Request, right? Request. Okay, good.
Yes,
So just what is that? Count this request, guys. Okay, count this request. Previously 400 plus 100 plus 100 means what? Total how much? 600 request only, right? Total request is what in
600.
monolithic? In a monolithic, how many requests can handle now, guys? Come on.
Total
600.
600.
600.
Total
400.
400. But here see this here.
చేస్తున్నా
Hey, who's this fellow now? Hey, mute yourself, everyone. 1 or 2 person only. Pushpendra and what? Satish can write and like this one more like Manjulata. These guys only can mute yourself, guys. Okay, other can listen only. So much noise is happening, guys. Why you guys are not observing yourself, your side? Okay, so here see this 600 request plus 200 plus 200, how much? 1000 request having the capacity to handle, right? Come on, total
Yes.
how
Yes,
much?
sir.
1000
Yes, sir.
request, 1000 request in
1000
what?
requests.
In microservices design, right? In the microservices 1000 request in a what? Yeah, I know that what 1 2 3 4 5 server is increased. Okay, 5 server is increased, but what is that? Request also increased. And what is that? Memory size also less or not? See this, the project is deployed in the different server, right? If the
Yes,
request,
Ravi.
if client is making the request for the like what? Search module only. See this here what? 10 MB 10 MB utilization is there. 20 member wastage is stop or not, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
stop.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi, stopped.
okay, so good. So okay, fine now, guys. So so see that, observe that one. Okay, so run module services as a project application. So here what we are doing now, we are running the what? The module we are running as a what? One application or project as a one project or not? See, one module we are running as a one project, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So in this case, wall file are created for every module as a what? Application. As a application we are creating what? All module as a var file. And just if you are comparing, right? If you are comparing, memory got reduced or not, guys? Just observe this memory size.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi, reduced.
instance got increase with what? Request capacity is maximum, right? Because maximum request also can handle, right? Our server is what? Accepting maximum
Yes,
request
Ravi.
also or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
So this is the benefit of what this is the benefit of what
Microservices.
microservices, guys. Okay, memory utilization is less, right? Memory utilization, if our application memory, right, size is less, then the performance will increase or not? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
it
Ravi.
will
Yes,
increase.
Ravi.
So because of this region, the company is what converting their project in what microservices project, guys. Okay, this is the region. This is the region. See, if a 50 MB, right? 50 means what? How much? 30 MB, right? 30 or 40 MB memory reduced. Na, come on. 40 MB memory reduced. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. 40
Yes,
MB.
not. Yes,
Right.
So
yes.
50, yes.
that is a not easy things, guys. Okay, 30 MB memory if reduce means what? The application performance. Think about that, how much application. Just normally I given the one assumption, but in the real time, what MB, no, GB kind of project will be there, guys. Okay, so okay, so let's understand what is that. Now I'm going to give what total end-to-end what microservices cloud, Spring Cloud designed for microservices, guys. Okay, and that is the for backend application. And one more things here, guys. Here, whatever explanation I given inside that Spring Boot REST, guys, need because of that I spend time in what Spring Boot REST, near about 1 month we spent, right? And even one
Hello,
area,
Ravi.
yeah.
How it is reduced? Actually, I would not join. I could not join due to the internet connection.
So that is your
How it
problem.
is
That
reduced?
is your problem. Okay, again I can't explain it. That is your problem. For you only, again I will not explain. Okay, and even based on your time only, I will not start the session. Okay, so that is the reduce. And even I'm promising you guys, this weekend video I will upload on YouTube channel, but next weekend onward I will not upload it. I will provide a Google Drive link. Okay, so watch once. Okay, again I will not, I don't have that much capacity. After finishing the class, if you are coming, right, Ravi, just I join and explain again. Okay, so this is the very bad, and this is unprofessional also. If
Yes, Ravi.
yeah, see this near about 1 hour class is completed, and you are asking about the in a 5 minute 1 minute, how I can explain it 1 hour session now? Anyone, guys?
No,
I'm speaking wrong, just tell me.
No, Ravi,
no,
no.
Ravi, no.
Right.
Just because 1 hour is completed, yeah.
Yeah, 1 hour, near about 1 hour is going to complete, and you are saying that it just I came. How you can understand, and how I can explain it?
Better to leave.
No, choice is yours. Okay, choice is yours. Everything is there in your hand. If you want to continue our session, no problem, right? Continue. If you don't want, leave it. Okay, so let's understand what is that end to end. What is that? Spring Boot microservices design, and we will learn those things only, right, in future also, guys. So my humble request to everyone, just write through 3 to 4 times those that diagram, right? That diagram, and remind it. Okay, remind it every time, then the things will come. Okay, so now let's understand. So I'm going to give a high level design. Okay, guys, just
Sure, Ravi.
all those things for to understand what is that the different instances, and what is that horizontal scaling, and what vertical scaling. Still I did not test, but in future whenever I will implement what database concept, that time I will explain it. Okay, so but I given the picture about that horizontal vertical scaling na, just that is only, right, at that point I need. Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi.
okay, so now let's understand, guys. Okay, let's understand high level microservices. What?
Ravi,
Yeah. Yes.
actually, Ravi, little doubt. Actually, I have little doubt because
Uh-huh.
search module here 600. right?
Mhm,
And
mhm.
in the previous one only 400. So
No issue, no
here
no issue,
1000
because here server is increased, so the another server also having the capacity to handle 200 requests, huh? So just because of that, you can take any number of requests, no issue.
okay, okay.
Because
Okay, Ravi.
see
Yeah,
here
yeah, because here are three server.
yeah, here I took three server what, like one
Okay.
server is extra, two server is extra, right? Two server is extra, and in a
Yes, sir.
like in a two server I took what is a search module, so because of that I increased the request, there is no problem. And even what is that in a even what is that for five instances, means what is that 5 services we took, but what is that, but still memory usage is what, 50 MB only.
Yes.
And here what,
Yes,
and
thanks,
here,
Ravi. Yeah, thanks.
yeah, and here what, only three server, and but what, still how much,
90,
how
yeah,
much memory utilization is there, 90 MB. And
90
90
MB.
MB.
and even
Okay.
request also less, even what, request also less. But here what, just
Yes,
what, only what server is increased, and what is that, memory also reduce, as well as what, request also increase. So this is the benefit or not?
Yes,
exact,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Both side benefits are there.
Thank you so much, Ravi. Yeah, yeah. Got it to the
Yeah.
point.
Okay, good.
Ravi,
Okay.
based
Thank
on the requests count, we will increase the our services as well as the servers. That is
No,
the thing,
no, no,
right?
no, no,
Here.
no, 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 no. Just server by default request capacity I given. Here you can increase this capacity also, right? Here you can increase capacity also based on that module.
For
This is
example,
actually
Ravi, in
understandable.
Amazon Big Billion Day, everyone they are sending the search request more than the payment, more than the cart
Yes,
request.
yes,
That's
yes,
why
yes.
we are increasing the search.
Yeah,
Correct, correct.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ravi.
yeah. So okay, fine now, guys. So good. So let's understand high level. High level what? High level our microservices design, and we will learn that one only, right? And we will learn 2 months that one only. So okay, so just what I'm going to give now, guys. So here only, right? Here just what, Spring Cloud design. Spring Cloud design for what? Micro services, right? Spring Cloud design for microservices, and this application is what, application. This is what, backend application. So okay, good guys. So here what, just I'm taking what, this module only, search, cart and payment, right? Search, cart and payment. Okay, and let's take yesterday one more module we will take. All are, just assume that, right? Just assume that this is the search module. Okay, here let's take. This is the search module, right? This is the search module. This is what, this is the cart module. Just listen, guys. Okay, I know that in a single time you guys will not understand, right? Every explanation will be there in the future, but now understand that what, diagram and the usage of that, these module, right? These module usage, and what is that, why we are taking, that's it. So the all project, right? 4 project is there, 4 microservices projects are there, guys. Okay, 4 microservices project is there in the running, both right, both module, right? Both application, sorry, though both project, right? Every project is running in what, different machine, guys. Okay, every application is running in what, different what, different machines. So
Different,
just,
different.
yeah, so this is what, search module, right? This is the search module, and this is the cart module, cart project, right? Not a module, this is the war file only. This is the cart project, right? And this is what, payment
Payment.
module, right? And this is just, let's take return module also. return module, right? So sorry for that, every time I'm taking module. Yeah, module only are project. We will say what here, project, not a module, guys. Okay, project. So this is the 4
Such
projects are,
project.
yeah, this is the 4 projects are there, guys. Okay, this is the 4 projects are there, and 4 projects are running in what, different machine, guys. Okay, this is not in a same
Different
machine.
machines.
This 4 project is a not in a same machine. These are running in the different what, different machine. Okay, so fine now, guys. So how the request will trap, how we this project will recognize, we will recognize based on what, registry and a discovery server, right? Registry and what, discovery server. Registry and a discovery server having all information about this what, all information about what, this projects, guys. This project
Yes, sir.
that is nothing but what, load balancer server, guys. Okay, that one only, nothing but what, load balancer server only. So now this registry, all information will be there in this server, right? In this server, then registry, register and what, discover server. Discover, right?
Servers.
Register and what, discover. And this server is given by whom? Some vendor is there. That vendor name is what, Eureka. No, sorry, Netflix is there, but the server, registries and discover server is, sorry, something goes wrong. 1 minute. I don't know. Noise is happening too much, because of that I'm disturbing.
Also are
Yeah, Eureka server, right? Yeah, this one is given by whom? This one is given by registry and a discover server. Sorry, registry and a discover software is given by whom? Eureka server. Eureka server. Eureka server.
yes, sir.
Eureka server. Fine. Okay, good. So okay, fine now. Okay, in what, in some, right, like whenever we are developing, right, this project and what, this project and what, this project and what, this project, for that, to connecting the database, right, to connecting with what, database, some common properties there are not, guys. So to connect
Yes,
with
sir.
the database,
Yes,
the
sir.
property will be there, right? Database connection properties are there. We learn, right? We learned last time, guys. Okay, we wrote in the application dot property, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
In
Application not properties.
in this file, we are writing some what, database information or not, guys? Anyone remember? Still, everything is forget.
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
yeah,
I
yeah.
remember.
remember.
Database related.
Database related information.
Okay, so guys, okay, so payment project also need to connect database, and what is that, return project also need to connect the database. Means what, some common things will come or not, guys? Some common things will come or not? Come on,
Uh,
to connecting the
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
database.
yes, Ravi.
So our what,
Yes.
Yes.
our what, this what is that, Netflix people is given what, one more, what is that, configure server, config server. One more things is given by what, Netflix people, that is what, config server. Config server. In the config server, like what, whatever common properties there, right, to connect with what, database and what, other things, in a what, all module, all project, those common property we are writing inside that what, inside this what, config server. And this config
Config
server, yeah, this config server we are implementing in what, GitHub, guys. Okay, GitHub, we will implement this config property, right, in a GitHub, Git, right? In a
Okay.
Git we will implement that what property using what, GitHub. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So after then what, at the runtime, just what, if at the runtime, right, at the runtime, if any our project is not working proper, right, and client is making the request. Okay, so means what, some error is came na, some error is came in this project. Because of that, the client is not getting the what, the client is not getting what, result na. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Ravi.
so
Yes.
for that purpose, what is that, circuit breaker is there, guys. Okay, for that purpose, what, circuit breaker is there. Circuit breaker, circuit breaker, circuit breaker. This one we will implement using what is that, history dashboard, Hystrix.
Ravi, history dashboard means what are the services are running properly or not. We will see in the dashboard.
Don't worry. Just I said that just see these things. Okay, explanation I'm not giving. Okay, so still the explanation I will give at the right time. But still, because to start microservices, I need this what, I need this design. Okay, because of that I'm giving. Before starting, I'll clearly I said that, right, in a single time. What, why I said write design what, take pen and a paper, write multiple time. Why, something is there. Okay, because of that I said. So be patient, listen the things, that's it. Okay, even I'm not asking, right, even I'm not questioning about this one now. So just listen this histories, right? Those things I will explain. Okay, if I'm writing here
Yes,
means
Ravi.
what,
Yes, Ravi.
if I'm writing here means what, definitely without explanation directly, if I write the code, no one will understand, no one will understand. Okay, so if I'm taking here, I will take. So now, okay, circuit breaker, right, circuit breaker. Okay, so in our project, right, in our project, outside resources, if continuous communication need, right, continuous communication need. So for that purpose, what is that, we will use what is that, mqs, right, message queue, message queue. And this message queue we will implement using what, Kafka. Using what, Kafka. Kafka, right? So okay, good. So to monitor this object, and the property is loaded proper manner or not, this property is loaded in a proper manner or not. So for that purpose, we will implement what is that, equator. For that, to monitoring our project, for the monitor purpose, if we monitor this one, right, the our what property is loaded or not, object is created about this project or not. To monitor those things, for the purpose, we will learn what, we will learn what, equator. Actuator, right, actuator. And using what is that, using what, admin service, UI. Admin service UI, admin service UI. Okay, good. So fine. So okay. So logging to implement, we will implement what is that logging, tracing, all those things. So for that purpose, we will implement what is that logging activity also in the project, right? We will implement logging activity also, right? So for that purpose, we will use what
Yes,
is that
Ravi.
log, right? Log, right? So for that purpose, we will use what is that ELK, elastic and Kibana UI there, right? Using that one, we will implement what is that logging, right? Logging. And log stage, that file will store in the log stage. And using what is that, using ELK, elastic, using elastic tool, we are exposing that what is that, that messages to what, Kibana UI, that messages to what, Kibana UI. Kibana UI, right? Okay, so and here what is that elastic, using what elastic tool, right? Elastic, that one we are saying that what, elastic tool. Okay, good. Okay, so fine now guys. So for that, so every time, right? Every time if we are making the request, right?
जब मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि
Where that one? Here it is, right? 1 minute. Actually, I want. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. Good. Okay. Then to communicate what these different like module, right? Yeah. To communicate what, to these different module, right? So we are opening what,
Flexibility to choose technology.
Who's that? Praveen, please mute yourself. Okay. So to opening what, only one gate to what, to enter in this application, right? To select this application. For that purpose we will use what, our Netflix people is given what, API gateway, that is what, Joule proxy. API gateway, that is nothing but what, Joule proxy. Now guys, okay. I think in the session today Padma is not there, right? Her one question is there because of that, right? So dynamic, right? If you are there, right?
Noting down all the points. Yeah, yeah, noting down all the points.
Okay, so here what routing, right? Routing are dynamic, like dynamically what? To giving the services to whom? Taking the services and giving the services to whom? Eureka server. Eureka server is nothing but what? Then registry and a discovery server, right? So for that, what? So for that, what is that? To reading the dynamically things. Okay, for that routing things is there. Now here what? API gateway, right? API to opening only one gate, right? Only one gate. Gateway to our gate to application. For that purpose we are using what? API gateway, and using what? Joule proxy we will implement. Joule proxy, right? Using Joule proxy we will use. Okay, then we will implement what is that? Then we will implement what? OAuth, right? Authentication security concepts, guys. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so your question, I remember that, because that time is not correct.
Yes,
Because
sir.
of that I was not given the answer. So we will
Yeah, because in almost all the interviews,
yeah,
they are
then
touching what
we will
without
implement what? Security and what? This API Joule proxy server. Joule server only is giving what? To implement in what? Microservices authentication. For that purpose we will use one database to store information about that authenticated person. This is one database we will use for the authorization person. And all transaction, right? All transaction things, whatever transaction things, like what? Related to our project. For that purpose we will use what? One more database. In that database our transaction information will be there. This is what? Transaction database. This is what? Transaction database. Okay, good. So now fine, guys. So here what? These many things will be there in what? In one microservices. What? In a project we will learn these things, and this is what? Backend application, guys. Okay, this is what? Backend application. Now front end application will be like this. Okay, so here what? So front end, this is what? Network. This is what? Network, right? This is network. This is what? Network, right? This is network. Okay, good. So here what? This microservices can be access our what? Angular. This is the front end application. Angular using what? What is that? React, REACT, right? What is the spelling here? React, correct, right? React JS, I think correct.
correct.
Correct, Ravi, correct.
Correct.
Okay, so our desktop application will be on React. Okay, can be use our mobile device also. Can be use our what? Mobile device also. Can be our what? REST template also. These are the client. Just different client I'm giving. Okay, so here just tell, I'm taking what is that? REST. This is the REST template. And what is that? This is the Android phone. Android, right? Android or iOS. These are the client I'm giving, right? Even front end also, right? Not normal. If anyone want to learn it, guys. Okay, so good. This is the mobile DI, and these people is making the request, right? These people making the request, and these people only getting the response, right? Getting the response, and these response is happening using what? HTTP call. Using what? HTTP call. Good. So okay, so this is the network, and the data exchanging will be in a format of what? In the GSN or what? XML.
Or XML.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
data can be what? JSON or XML, right? So okay, so good. But the diagram, yeah, it's too much big, right? This is the design of what? This is the design of what? Microservices, guys. We will learn 2 months, we will learn these things only. And OAuth, especially OAuth, see this here, especially I can able to what? Explain also, right? Explain also OAuth. Because of that, I said on that day I will explain, because your query was, Ravi, can you explain in this weekend what? OAuth, right? This is the question, right? Still I am remember, Padma. So but if the so if exact time is not there, I only ignored, right? But that definitely, if your question, I will definitely fulfill, but the right time, but the
Yeah,
time
in,
when
in Google, I followed 1 or 2 tutorials, Ravi, but I couldn't get the proper
okay.
picture. If you tell
Yeah.
me, then I will get it.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, okay, so good. So now let's understand each and every module now, guys. Okay, let's understand as a theoretically, right? Just I given the design only, right? Let's understand this one only. Okay, here, right? Here itself only. So each REST application, right? This one is what? All are the REST application only, guys. This one will be REST application only, right? These are the REST application only, right? So good. So the question I'm saying that, okay. So here what? The point number one. Point number one is Spring REST application. Spring REST application for every module, right? Must be for the every module, right? Every one module, the REST application only will be there. We will use what? REST controller only, guys. Okay, we will not use what? Only controller. Okay, so the what is that? For what? For every module, we define what? Define one REST application.
Controller.
REST application. And generally we are using what? REST controller na to define the REST application. For normally we are using what? REST controller. Come on.
Yes,
Ravi.
sir. REST controller.
Yeah, generally using REST controller. One REST controller. Guys, I know that this is the theory only. Still the practical is not going, but if we not build right basic things, then we can't able to work in microservices, right? So because of that, I'm creating our background too much strong. So I know that this is little bit boring, right? This is little bit boring, but be with patience, guys. Okay, this is only our microservices. So without understanding these things, if you think about that, I can work in microservices, there is no possibility, guys. So much maturity need, guys, to learn microservices. Okay, so fine now, guys. So okay, so application just what is that? Can be what? Our what? Just I'm giving what? Search app or cart cart app or can be what? Payment, pay app, right? Pay app, etc, right? So okay, fine. Now so another registry and a discovery server, right? Let's understand about that something. What about what? This module, right? Registry server, right? Registry server. Now registry server, okay, let's understand second